Hey guys, good morning. This is Halloween kit number 4. They still had some on the website. This kit comes with a 18-inch grapevine that's oval, 6 little curly Q-picks, 1 orange flower, and 2 greenery bushes, and a roll of ribbon. So we're going to make a cute, simple, quick Halloween wreath, right? Alright, so y'all, first thing I want to do is move this out of our way. I'm going to take this bright orange bush that matches our ribbon, and I'm going to do my best to just split it in half. Right? Gonna take one of my greens, put it on top. My other green one, put it on the bottom. Y'all, then I'm just gonna take one of each of the colored ones. Let's trim those down first. They're a little long. So I'm gonna cut about 3 inches off of each one. Hey y'all. So y'all, Parker worked really hard trying to put these kits together. It's kind of fun. I didn't have to do it. But now I get challenged to make something with all the kits they put together. So, that's interesting. Alright. Let's get these guys layered in here. Alright. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Y'all, then we're just going to zip tie this right up here together. I'm going to make sure this is tight. Alright, with that looking crazy like that, we're going to zip tie it onto the wreath. Then y'all, once it's in place, we'll fluff it out. Alright. So y'all, I want to try to bend my stems to kind of match the curve of the grapevine. Let's get these bright orange flower leaves pushed out. Y'all, and then I'm going to take the greens and kind of interweave them together so you get some orange in the front, some green in the front, moving around. So if you look at it from the top, you'll see how it looks now. See how we've got them all layered and mixed together? Alright, let's get our curly Qs. Alright. Y'all, now we just need to make a bow for it. So we wanted those bright orange leaves because they had the bright orange accent colors to kind of tie it all together, right? Alright, so let's get out our easy bow maker. I love the ribbon they picked out for this one. Alright, so this is a 2.5 inch ribbon. We don't have a 1.5 inch to go with it. So, we are going to go with a 12-inch tail. Six-inch loops. Right? So we'll do 2 6-inch on both sides. Y'all, this ribbon is actually pretty stiff, nice to work with. So y'all, you just want to make sure that your 2 loops on both sides are approximately the same width. Alright? So we have our 2. Now we're going to make 1 smaller loop right in the center. We'll do our other tail. Alright. I'm going to use zip ties on this one. Just wrap it around the center, pull it to the back, zip tie it off. Before you get it too tight, slide your other one right in the back. Tighten it up. Alright, so y'all, on this type of bow, there's not a ton of ribbon in the center. So you can very clearly see that the zip tie right here. So we are going to take another one of these, cut us a little strip, and add it right in the center. Y'all, I'm probably going to cut this right here and just use the little striped area to tie it off. Now my friend Kali taught me this trick. Alright, so we take it, we're going to fold this in half. All we want is a little strip here that we can wrap right around that zip tie and tie it off in the back. We almost lost our zip tie, y'all. There we go. Alright. So there's our little bow. We're going to add that right into the missing slot. Cut off the backing. Alright, bring some of our little curls forward a little bit. Dovetail the tips of the ribbon. Y'all, some of these orange stems are a little long, so all I'm doing is bending the stem in the back and making it into a little Z pattern so it comes in. Alright, let me show y'all what I'm doing. So you see how long the stem is? What I'm doing is I'm going behind the greenery, and I'm taking that stem and I'm folding it this way, and then back out to make it shorter and not stick out quite as far. Right? So you see how this one, all the leaves are sticking out further than the greenery? Just going down inside and bending that stem back a little bit so that it doesn't stick out quite as far. Alright, there you go. Just that easy.